welcome back to Container Crops. I got a nice harvest of tomatoes. I've got a nice harvest of tomatoes. I did go ahead and pull them all before they fell off and the squirrels got them or something. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys to make sure you get a brown paper bag and put all of your tomatoes in them, and they will ripen quickly. If you don't want them to ripen that quickly, that one had a bad spot on it, so we'll discard that one. If you don't want them to ripen quickly, you can just simply leave them on a tray, on your counter, or anything like that. But I want mine to go ahead and ripen so I can make some sauce. Yes, I want to make some tomato sauce. So I want these to have already, look at these. These are Brandywine tomatoes. Isn't that a beautiful color on there? Yes, and some of these are, I should have shown you those at first. Some of these are green zebra. Here's one, I think, yes. Look at that, guys. That is a green zebra tomato. Yes, these are green zebra tomatoes. And these are the Brandywine tomatoes. This is a small tomato. I went ahead and pulled it, but it would have been a beefsteak if I had let it continue to grow. But I just want to go ahead and get that one pulled off as well. So I just want to come on here real quick and show you guys these tomatoes and just put them in a brown paper bag. Close it up. In a couple of days, they'll be ripe. Simple brown paper bag. Now my bag is doubled. I have 2 bags in here simply because I have quite a few tomatoes in here. And I've got about, looks like 10 or 15 more tomatoes out there to pull. It's not quite that cold here, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull them so that I can work and concentrate on my fall crop that I have growing out there, guys. All right, guys, so these are tomatoes that will ripen indoors. All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. A little short how-to video. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I'll see you next time.